Now we'll study a topic covering of lens partially. Suppose if I have a convex lens and these are the incident ray passing through it. Definitely, according to definition, they will meet at a point f2, right? And if I have a convex lens and if the rays are traveling parallel to it, they will be appear to be diverging from a point f2, right? So what I will say that if a part of a lens is covered, if a part of the lens is one of the part of the lens is covered, let's say I am covering some part of the lens, I am making it opaque. So what will change due to covering? Can I say the rays are still meeting? That means this rays will not get refracted. This rays will not get refracted because I have made this surface as an opaque medium. But this rays traveling still meet at f2 because there is no change in the refractive index of the material. There is no change in the refractive index of the surrounding medium and the curved surfaces are still the same. That means there will be no change in principal focus. That means there will be no change in focal length. So what is changing now? That only half part of the ray can reach point f2. So the intensity of the image, whatever the image is formed, the intensity will be reduced. So remember, if half part of the lens is covered, there will be only change in the intensity of the image. There will be no change in the focal length. Very important. So remember, whenever a lens is covered partially, whether a convex or a concave, so even if I cover this, even if I make it opaque, so these rays will not be diverging, right? These rays will incident or it may be absorbed by the surface but will not get reflected. Only these rays will get refracted. So here the image form will be partially less bright. So what we have to say that if a lens is partially covered with an opaque object, so there will be no change in the focal length. And now since some part of the lens has become opaque, no entire light will not get refracted, so the intensity of the image will be less bright.